My name is Piyush Sharma, and today we have got a very wonderful topic, that is our government teachers giving their best on the studies of school students. So I have chosen no because there are many of the reasons. First is that they are giving the plenty of work, due to it the students are getting stressed too much. Second is that they are busy on their work and they are not focusing on the students, and many of by that the government school students, they are looking as a, they have not a well behavior. Third point is that they have not their own ideas and activity. They are busy just on their works.
So hello everyone, today's debate again. My opponent name is Mac, and topic is that our government teachers are giving their best to studies of the students. So I have chosen yes, they are giving their best on the study of students, because when I am also learning in the government schools, and I have seen that they are giving their best, and also students are learning from them, and they are getting a very messages from them, because they are very experienced teachers and they know how to teach them.
So I want to ask one question, that you have said the teacher have experience. Okay, I have not any doubt in it that they have experience, but my question is that why they are giving the plenty of work to the students? Due to it, the students get the depressions and also stress.
I think that they are not giving. I think that they are not giving the plenty of works, because they know how to teach the students and they know what should be given to the students. And students are giving everyday homework, but students are not doing every day. That's why it look burden for them. If they will do a regular homework, so that will not look like a burden for them. I think that they are experienced and they are giving and they know how to teach and how to give the homeworks.
Bro, as you are telling me that the government school teachers, they are also focusing on the students. I want to say that there is also comparison between the private schools and the government schools. You know betterly, government schools and private teachers, that totally means they have experience. But if I see the behavior and there are many of the moral activities which the government students don't know, but the private students know. You know that as you have said, they have a works and they are also not checking the work. It is wrong, because you know that every day they are also teaching the chapter. Sometimes teacher is also not present in the class. Due to it, we have to apply the cameras in this time.
My question to you, that you are saying that they are giving lots of burden to students. They are not checking the notebook of the students. So there are lots of students, millions of the students are learning in the government schools, and they have got the education in their life. So how they got?
Firstly, I want to say that as you are talking about the toppers, and so I want to say that topper is not a whole class. Topper is just a one or two students which focus on their self studies. Not if they depend on the teachers, so I think that they will be get failed, because you know that teachers in my exam time, the teacher have not completed the syllabus in the English and science, but I have completed from my side. That's why I have given my exam betterly. But in the exam, if I talk about if I depend on the teachers, they, you know that whole year they also means also government means in the government schools, they totally depend on the whole of the activities. As like in my school, there is also a Shramdan. Due to it, my 2 periods are getting to be lost.
So I think that you are saying wrong, because they are giving activities to students. They give activity for the development of a children, for a student. If they will not give activity, so he will be nervous on every time. He will not have a confidence in his life, and he will not have something skills in the life. Activities are done so that he will get some development in their mind. And also they are teaching very well, and you are saying that we should not depend on the teachers, otherwise we will not get good marks in the exam. I think that we should depend on the teachers, because they are teaching from many years, and they know what type of questions will come in the exams. So they will tell and they will clear our concept.
Okay, bro, as you are saying that they have experience, I know better that they have experience, and they also know what is the format of the exam. But I would like to say that many of the students, they are also watching on the social media as like YouTube. I am also pursuing the YouTube, because from that I have got a sample papers too much, as like books I have got. But any teacher is not advised to me that you have to do this thing. And also in the class, you know that every teacher have a focus on every student. You know that in the many of the time government teachers, if they have a, you know that in the government schools study and for the teaching as the way. And I want to say that as like you are saying that the activity is also necessary, I am saying that yeah, it is necessary. But if I say that in this Ramadan the lot of the work we are going to be waste, so this is not a good thing, and this is not called as a best for the government teachers.
So you are saying that your teachers are wasting your time and they should not allow phones in the class. I think that they are not using the phone in the class. If they are getting some important work from the call they are getting, then they are receiving the call. So I think also they are I said that they are giving some important question they are telling, and also you are saying that we can clear our concept on the YouTube. So
So thank you for watching our debate video.